Hey guys, welcome to the new year. We are in 2019 in January, and I wanted to hop on and share the beautiful essential oil promos with you for the month. So, what I love about a new year, and how awesome is it to be in 2019 now? But what I love about a new year is that people have these amazing health goals in mind, and it's such a special area to my heart because it's actually when essential oils entered my life. So, 3 years ago this month, I was looking for that next health upgrade, and I thought, well, maybe essential oils could be it. I'll give them a shot, and if they don't work out, then hey, I'll move on to the next thing to support my health. But big, shining, bold newsflash that they really altered my life in the best way possible, and now I cannot imagine life without them. So I'm so pumped to jump into what this month has to offer and show you guys. So here we go. This is for people ready to get started with essential oils, or those already that are current customers. So first of all, have you been thinking about adding oils into your routine this year? If so, then I would love to show you how I use them in a day to really help you out, to really help you see how it's not just getting an oil or one specific oil or one targeted area that you want to use it, and you really can apply it to your whole life. And maybe it's not going to be an overnight transformation, but maybe it's going to be just little tiny changes that you're making. So for instance, you're going to add in lemon to your water, and then you're going to layer it on that and layer and layer and layer and keep doing that until it becomes a lifestyle like it has for me. And that's what I'm going to show you with how I use the oils in a day. So here is a typical day in the oil life. Obviously, there are many other oils beyond what I use in a day, but sometimes some creep in when, health concern comes up, or I've been really thinking about an oil that I haven't used in a while and I want to start up using it again. That's kind of where you can layer in those additional oils. But here's a typical day for me. So in the morning, I wake up, I take a TerraZyme, which is a digestive enzyme. I take this to just help break down anything that's been left in my system. When we sleep, that's when our body really goes to work. We have our little worker bees in our body trying to clean up all the debris and reset us for the new day. So I take a TerraZyme to just ensure that everything has done what it needs to do in the night. And then I put Balance, the grounding blend, on the bottoms of my feet. This is my favorite oil ever, so it will never be out of my collection. It's one that I use on a pretty consistent basis just because I love the way it makes my body feel. So put Balance on the bottoms of the feet. And then there's a new oil called Yarrow Palm. So I put that under my mum bags. So lots of that, lots of makeup to combat the mum bags. And this oil does wonders. So it's Yarrow essential oil based in pomegranate seed oil. I find it just reduces the puffiness right away and doesn't completely take away the bags, because I don't think any amount of oil or makeup can do that as a new mom, but it really does help support the body. So I put that under my eyes in my bathroom. Then I get a diffuser going with an immune supporting oil, especially if it's the cold and flu season like it is in the colder winter months. Or I get an energizing oil or energizing diffuser blend going. So that's going to help invigorate us and get us pumped up for the day. Then I drink Terra Greens before eating breakfast. So Terra Greens is a powdered greens and so veggies and fruits powder that you add to water, and it just tastes so yummy. I'm not a huge powder person, but I love taking Terra Greens. So it's super delicious first thing in the morning before breakfast. Then I will add a drop of peppermint to a homemade latte, or I'll add it to I'll add it to my latte or my coffee, and it's just so delicious. So I love doing that. And then I'll do a couple drops of lemon in my 1 liter mason jar of water that I drink. And I just love lemon. So there's so many other citrus oils you could add to your water, but lemon is just the one that I come back to as loving and just love the flavor of it. So I'll do that. And then I will roll rose essential oil that's pre-diluted in fractionated coconut oil. I'll roll it on my forehead, my cheeks, and my chin, and then I'll apply my moisturizer. So rose is so beautifying for the skin that I love getting it on my skin first thing in the morning. And then I'll grab an essential oil and wear it as a perfume. So I tend to use the femme oils just because the femme oils do come in rollers, and they obviously smell beautiful and pretty and light and floral. So I like to roll those on my wrist as a natural perfume. So that's in the morning. And then the midday, it kind of is a little less. So again, I don't want to overwhelm you by showing you that, but as you work up to the oils, you can see all the different areas you can apply them in. So midday is a little more relaxed. You take my first dose of the supplements, which is called LLV, Lifelong Vitality. And if I'm feeling low on, new mom energy, I'll take a Mito 2 Max, which is a natural energy complex, and it's a non-stimulant, and it's a great way to get energy when you are feeling the slump. And I'll get a diffuser going with a midday flow. So some peppermints, some citruses are really good for this time. And then roll some more oils on the neck. I love doing down the front of my neck right here. And then again on the wrist, and just whatever I'm feeling drawn to lately. So I mentioned here that I've really been liking Magnolia Touch and Neroli Touch. So I'll roll Magnolia on the front of my neck, and I'll do Neroli on my wrist. And then in the evening, I'll take the second half dose of the supplements. So this comes after dinner. And then get diffusers going in the bedroom. So Nia's is normally first, just because she's in bed first, and love doing, lavender breathe combo, or lime vetiver and lavender, or sometimes Roman chamomile, just whatever I'm speaking to me that day. Again, if we're in the 6th season, we'll pump some more On Guard or some frankincense with it to really help support the system, or copaiba. So it kind of depends, but these are kind of the staples for her bedroom. And then I normally shower at nighttime right now, just with my new baby. It just has been working better for me than getting up and doing that first thing in the morning. So when I hop in the shower, first thing I do is dry skin brush. I'll do it with 3 drops of pink pepper. And then I will hop in the shower, cleanse my face with the essential skincare line. So I'll do the cleanser, do the toner, the brightening gel, and then a moisturizer. Then I'll use the new doTERRA Beautiful Blend deodorant, which is available for a limited time. And then I will take my Glowing Health Veg Cap. So this is a newer thing that I've implemented in the last month and a half, and I swear it just makes you glow from the inside out. So it's 2 drops each of frankincense, turmeric, pink pepper, copaiba, and the new yarrow palm in an empty veg cap, and you take it before bedtime, and it is wonderful. And then I will put an oil on the bottoms of the feet. Vetiver is a really effective one for promoting deeper sleep, and I find it really works with me, so I'll do that. And I will pop a PB Assist, which is the probiotic, before bed, and then I will doze off into sweet oil dreamland. So that is a look at how you can really incorporate oils into little pockets of your life throughout the day. Okay, now it's time to dive into the oily goodness for this month. So the free oil of the month is for those that are current customers with their doTERRA. So when you're set up on the monthly rewards program called LRP, you have the option to get a free oil each and every month. And I love this because it helps you build out your oil collection. So in the early days when I got started 3 years ago, it was awesome because it gave me a way to get these oils that I didn't have to purchase, but I am getting other products, and then I'm getting these oils for free each month. So for the month of January, you get grapefruit for free with 125 PV. Order when you process it by the 15th of the month. So you're still in the clear. I am recording this on January 4th, so there's still 11 days left to get this free oil. So grapefruit is amazing. I love it as another citrus option for my water. Again, lemon is my number one, but grapefruit is a nice second option. Okay, so here are some ways to use grapefruit. You could add a drop to your water, like I said, because it's really going to help detox and cleanse the body. You can use it on the body with a carrier oil, and this is totally great as we lead into the spring and summer. So, when May and June hit, it helps break down cellulite, and I really find it is a powerhouse when you pair it with another essential oil called cypress. So it's really good for helping with cellulite. But special note, if you are applying to the body and then you are going outside, you just want to avoid direct contact with the sun, because citrus oils can increase the photosensitivity in your skin, making it more likely to burn. So you want to make sure that you're being mindful and careful of applying citruses topically on the skin and then going out into the sun. So grapefruit can also combat sugar cravings by adding a drop to your drinking water. And I'm just going to close this door. Here we go. This is the mom station where you record your videos hiding in your bedroom from your family. Okay, so you can use it to combat sugar cravings. So add a drop to your drinking water this way. So you're not only going to get the benefits of it detoxing and cleansing your body, you're also going to help it, mid-afternoon when you're reaching for the candy bar or, something sweet. Try adding this to your water to help curb that. You can also use it for adrenal fatigue, so on the bottoms of the feet or the back of the neck. And then using it in the diffuser, so many beautiful blends to apply it in the diffuser. So if you want to pause this video and take a screenshot of these diffuser blends, or take note of this document down here, bit.ly/diffuse blends, All of these are in there, so you can pump those into your diffuser with your free grapefruit that you're going to score this month. Okay, and then 10% off this month. This applies to new customers and current customers. So when you are getting started with oils, say you really wanted this 10% off oil, all you would have to do is add it to your enrollment order, and you're going to not only save 10% on it this month, but you're also going to be saving with your wholesale customer discount from your initial order. So this is a great one if you are new to oils, or brand spanking new to oils, and you want to get this additional oil as well. So for the month of January, you get 10% off Slim and Sassy, as what it's called in the US, or it's called Smart and Sassy in Canada, but they are the exact same oil, they just have different names, and it is the metabolic blend. So this is great for applying to cellulite as well. Just apply it on the area of concern because it has all these amazing oils. So it has peppermint, grapefruit, ginger, lemon, and cinnamon in it, and it is the metabolic blend. So when you think about it helping with your metabolism, it can help break down those troubling areas on your body. So this is another oil I actually like to dry skin brush if I'm not using pink pepper. So it's one that stays in my bathroom, which may seem like a funny area to keep it, but it has such an amazing use on the body as well as in the body. So it can help with eating disorders and over fatigue. So you just take in an empty veg cap or apply it to the bottoms of the feet or diffuse it. Again, appetite and craving. So you can take a drop under the tongue or inhale from the bottle. So you can see why Slim and Sassy and grapefruit are great oils to start implementing in this new year as we focus on health and shifting to a more healthy lifestyle and maybe focusing on bettering our body. These both come in really handy. So it is a lymphatic stimulant and very supportive to that as well. So again, diffuse or put on the bottoms of the feet, and it's just going to help with that system. Urinary tract support. So take in an empty veggie capsule. So again, adding a couple drops, popping them closed and swallowing it that way. Urinary tract support, you can take an empty veg capsule too, because again, it has really supporting oils for that, which is really great too. Blood sugar balance, take in a veggie cap or a drop in a glass of water. So I personally don't love the taste of it in a full glass of water. Some people love adding this to their water to sip and get those oils and really enjoy them together. But I personally don't, so I would take it in an empty veg capsule, but you can totally add it to a glass of water and sip it that way. Again, so it's very detoxing and cleansing, glass of water, empty veggie capsule, digestive stimulant and calming, veggie capsule, glass of water, and helps with inflammation. So again, you can take this internally or you can apply it to the bottoms of the feet. So that is your 10% off oil this month. And sometimes doTERRA will have a promo, and then when the month is up, they'll actually extend it into the new month, and that's what they have done with frankincense. So until January 15th, with any 200 PV purchase, so whether you're a current customer or you're looking to get started or you just want to do one purchase, you can get a free frankincense when you do a 200 PV order. So this is great because this is the king of oils. There is such amazing benefits to frankincense. If you may have noticed in my day of the oil life, I use this every night internally in my glowing health capsule. So this is what you can get for free. It's $93 US or 113 Canadian. So it's a great one to have in your collection for free because you are going to use it and you're going to need this backup. Okay, so now that we've learned all about that, I want to show you the steps to begin your oil journey if you haven't begun it already. So the best way to begin this month is to either purchase one of these kits that will get you the free frankincense. So two of the most popular kits are the Home Essentials, which I started with 3 years ago this month, or the Natural Solutions, because it's really going to give you your top health tools in terms of your essential oils and your healthy living products. It comes with a diffuser. You got the shampoos, which are going to beautify your hair with nature on your side, the natural hand soaps, and some other natural products that are really going to help you transition to this lifestyle and lead you into a day in the oil life like I presented at the beginning. So those really are the top two kits to begin with this month. You can totally choose others, but if you really want to score the deepest discount of getting this free frankincense, those are the two I recommend. So I'll just give you a little rundown of why you might want to join our glowing oil tribe this month. So you'll receive a free welcome pack of goodies from me mailed out. Snail mail is totally the best. Education and community, because you really want to get supported on this journey, and that's what I'm here for. You can have access to ebooks, PDFs, and other goodness, and then giveaway action for using your oils. So for using them, I like to reward you for it because it really is such a beautiful tribe that we have, and I want to support you on it. And then there's also a beautiful business opportunity only if you're feeling called to it and you want to share this lifestyle with others. It's completely optional, and it's something that I do, but it's not for everyone. It's only for about 10% of people that actually join doTERRA. So just keep that in mind. And then you'll have the key tools to rock your natural and holistic health, which we always want. So when you're ready, you can click the links below this video. It will also direct you to my website, which has more information, not just on oils, but living a more natural lifestyle and plant-based eats and all that. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me at my website below this video. And I really hope that you see how these oils can really benefit you and impact you on a larger scale. And like I said, 3 years ago, this month, my life has forever been changed thanks to these oils, and I am so happy that I decided to add them to my health routine because I can't imagine life without them now, and that's why I want you to see the benefits of it and see how you can really work them into them with this month's promo. So please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the oily side with us. Talk to you later.